What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be rolling my fenders. I got tires in the last video and they started to rub extremely bad, so we're gonna go ahead and go fix that by rolling the fenders, which have been well needed, and I'm gonna show you the details on all that stuff. But first, I want to make sure that you guys like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video at the end, make sure you hit a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more content. So let's get today started. Alright, Ace is the one with the fender rollers, so we're going to be using his kit. And I don't know how we're going to do this because I don't have my heat gun. Hopefully he has an extension, so we're going to go figure that out in a couple seconds. And here goes Ace right next to me. Z. Still not painted, but you know, paint 2020.
Feel the clutch now. I'm gonna put it in gear.
All right, so we don't have an extension. You do have the heat gun. Cool. So we're gonna go make a quick store run and go pick that up. So you guys are just gonna follow us there. All right. We're here, we came back, got our extension cord on the floor right here, and first steps first is taking off the wheel, right? And we're getting the bolts off. Got our fender roller down here. Got our heat gun right here. These are the tools we're gonna need to make this look right. So yeah, gonna get started in a couple seconds once we get these wheels off and jack the car out. And we'll let you know what else we got left to do. Our car is on jack stands and we're getting ready to roll this. Ace is setting up the adjustment for it. Yeah, we're not gonna start without heat gunning it first, so don't cry, guys. Tires are over there, safe and sound. Yeah. We're gonna get started. Show you guys how to or how not to do this. So Asa, what do you think would be the first step of rolling?
Let me adjust this before we start it.
Well, your first step is going on to be setting this up. Make sure your e-brake is off as well. And right now he's adjusting it ever so slightly, as you can see in here, so we can get a perfect roll. Then afterwards, we're not going to immediately start because we still have to heat up the fender so we can prevent as much paint crack as possible. If not, we don't want any. That's our goal. And then we'll go ahead and start with our fender rolling process. Alright, the next step is to use heat gun. You don't want to put it directly on it. Start bubbles in your paint. Don't want that. It's not good. My paint job's kind of new, so I doubt it will do that. But for you guys that have cars that have a little bit of an older paint job, you're definitely going to want to take your time on this and not put direct heat on it before you start rolling. Right now we're just making sure it gets warm so we don't crack the paint or chip it in any type of way before we actually start rolling it. And now we're beginning to roll.
Start doing it all right here.
No cracks so far.
That's not where it cracks. It cracks once you get like way up in there. But even mine, I barely heat mine up.
Yo, is that your what is that, like a gyro for the camera?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's like a
yeah, dude, that shit looks great.
Bruh.
Here, look at this.
Talking about that preview video. Did you see it, Chris?
What preview
We
video?
made a video with the gimbal.
Oh no.
That junk is amazing, bro.
Oh, I sent it in the.
It's in
It's in there? Alright, okay.
Well, here. I have a video of. Here's a video of after I did all the stabilization, like in post. Here. It's like way up underneath here. It's not gonna do nothing.
Yeah. Heat it up. Start. Where Mario at, man?
He out here.
Like, we made him disperse waves.
It's already rolled a lot more than it was.
Yeah.
I gotta go buy it. We gotta do this about 3 times around.
This man Justin.
He'd be like, "What's up, guys? You're here for another video." Glass.
Kinda gotta like push it.
Should I keep going?
Yeah, go ahead. Go to about here. Should be good.
So we'd have to angle that one more or something? Or?
No.
It's not really rolling.
Well, you can only roll so much down here.
Yeah. I don't think it needs it anyways.
I don't think it needs it right here. I think it needs it more
up here. Around that area. That's why I said when I got, these fit like my foot.
Dude, I've been holding it like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That roll.
Rolled up, baby. That shit looks good.
I think with the brand that I have 280, maybe would look similar to that.
Yeah.
Here, hold up.
Trying to get the good look.
A little cleanup? Yeah, they have to. I just washed that car.
Dude, my car's dirty as shit.
You should buy like a little extension. What
The fuck?
Yeah. That's what I told you. Fuck it. I'll find an extension and then I'll do a bumper check. And look at this. I just got this, man, and it melted my bumper, and look what it did. See right here?
Oh yeah.
I don't know if that comes off.
Oh, I see. Are you talking about on the exhaust?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Cut that roll.
So what happens, hot boy?
But you know what I'm not using this time?
You go straight up.
I rolled.
Nah, I'm saying this shit as in like, damn, this shit rolled like
About the
that.
same as yours.
This is more.
Intro.
That's gonna be the intro. You know what? That's a good idea. All right, guys, it's definitely been rolled now. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some brightness in here and you guys can see it.
How is it? I don't know. And he's an electrical engineer. No.
Who?
Yeah, bro. My roommate Dre. I don't know how he did it. I'm like, bro, how the hell?
Oh, it's too bright. It's too bright. It's too bright.
I wish I only have 2 classes today.
Well, you guys can't really see it, but this is really rolled.
Did you have that?
And I just can't focus it for you guys. I'm sorry. But right here, is like all the way in. That's my fender.
The guy who made the book. I might have.
It's really rolled.
Not think it's
Really impressed with it. So we got one more side, and then
he's looking.
that's pretty much it. We finished. Battery's gonna die soon, so I'm not gonna record the second side at all. But yeah, let's go do the second side. All right, car's done. Finished rolling. Show you guys what we're looking at. If I put my finger in here, it's pretty much, there's a little bit of paint crack, but we can fix that by getting some epoxy and painting it so it doesn't rust. What's up, guys? Car's pretty much done. So yeah, Ace is going bye-bye. He's out of here. But let's go ahead and end this. Thank you guys for watching. I have class in a couple of seconds, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's JDMNedu, Snapchat at ASIEGBU, and Instagram is JDMNedu as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and